Fuck, it just flew away. It landed in that tree over there. There it is. Damn it. Fucking bird. Stay still, motherfucker. These things hop from tree to tree. But there it goes again. Just won't fucking sit still. Son of a bitch. You don't like me, apparently. There he goes. Damn it, it flew away again. Come back, come back. There he goes. The Ivory Billed Woodpecker, people. Live on camera. July 10th, 2010, Long Beach, Mississippi. There's the pecker pecking on the wood. It's the Ivory Billed Woodpecker, baby. Two of them on the tree together. I'll see if I can get a little bit closer. Damn it, they see me move and they spook so easily. Come on. Get up from behind the tree, sucker.